Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, in the last class, we discussed about motion, the definition of motion, the concept of rest and motion, the different types of motion. So, in today's class, I will teach you speed, some simple numericals, the concept of weight and the difference between mass and weight. So first of all, we are going to solve some simple problems of these type of motions. Okay. So here are the questions. So let's see how much you all remember from the first class. You generally have to know about the type of motion. Okay. So motion of a bike on a straight road. What should be the answer? The answer is a translatory motion because the bike is moving in a straight line. Now the second one is a car moving on a curved path. As we all know that anything moving on a curved path possesses curvilinear motion. So the answer is a curvilinear motion. Now third one, motion of a pendulum. What will be the answer? It's an oscillatory motion. Next, apple falling from a tree. Apple is falling from a tree in a straight line, then it is a rectilinear motion or a linear motion. So the answer is linear motion or rectilinear motion. Number 5, motion of a merry-go-round as it is moving around a fixed axis, so the motion will be rotatory motion. Now number 6, motion of a swing. As we all know that swing moves to and fro from back to front, again from front to back. So the motion will be here again oscillatory motion. Okay, so the answer is oscillatory motion. Number 7, motion of the hands of a clock. What will be the answer? As we all know that hand of a clock, minute hand, second hand, it all moves in a circular direction. So the answer is a circular motion. Motion of a ball rolling on a ground. Then what kind of motion a ball possesses when it is rolling? Yes, it's a rotatory motion. And if a ball is moving with a constant speed, then it is also a translatory motion. A body can possess one or more than one type of a motion, which is a mixed motion. So this is also an example of a mixed motion. Now number 9, motion of a earth around itself is a rotatory motion. So the answer is rotatory motion. Last one, motion of a ceiling fan is an example of a circular motion. Now the next topic is speed. What is a speed? Speed is basically the distance traveled by the body in a unit time. Okay, so how much distance a body has traveled in a particular time is known as speed. So what is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so the SI unit of speed is meter per second. This is the SI unit of speed. Now let's see what is uniform motion. Uniform motion. It is if a moving body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, its motion is uniform motion. मतलब ऐसा मोशन जहाँ पे जो भी एक बॉडी है या फिर कार हो या फिर बाइक हो, कोई भी व्हीकल, कोई भी बॉडी जो इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रही है इक्वल टाइम में, ऐसे मोशन को बोलेंगे हम लोग यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ कार. Okay, this has come to this point and then it reached this last point. So at 1 p.m. it was here, at 2 p.m. it came here and it covered a distance of 20 km. At 3 p.m. it came here and covered a distance of 30 km. So what is the difference in the timing from 1 to 2 p.m.? It is 1 hour. Again, what is the difference in time between 2 to 3 p.m.? It is 1 hour. So how much? It is a difference of 1 hour. In 1 hour, it is covering a distance of this 20 km, and here also you can see it is covering a equal distance of 20 km. मतलब distance same है. इक्वल है और टाइम भी सेम है। तो ऐसे मोशन को हम लोग बोलेंगे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, जहां कोई बॉडी जो है वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रही है इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में। सो दिस इज अ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। See, you can see where v is distance, sorry, speed is equal to distance by time. So what was the distance? 20 kilometer and timing was 1 hour, है ना? Kilometer hour. And what is the speed? 20 kilometer per hour. This is the speed. This is the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Now non-uniform motion. If a moving body travels unequal distance in equal interval of time, its motion is said to be non-uniform. मतलब अगर बॉडी मूव कर रही है और उसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रही है किसी इक्वल टाइम में, मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगेन this is 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. What is the difference between the timing between these two bodies? 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., 1 hour. From 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., again it's 1 hour. Okay. So the time is difference is 1 hour. And what is the distance? From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., it traveled a distance of 5 kilometer. Okay. And again from this body, that is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., it has covered a distance of 6 kilometer. So here it's 5, here it's 6. So there is a difference of distance. What does this mean? Unequal distance. This is 5 kilometer, this is 6 kilometer. Means unequal distance is traveled by a body in equal interval of time is known as non-uniform motion. Now what is average speed? Average speed is total distance by total time. So this is the formula of average speed. We will solve some numerical problem based on this average speed. Now mass. It is denoted by capital M or small m. So the mass of a body is the quantity of matter contained in it. Okay, quantity of matter. Suppose this is a body and the quantity of matter contained in a body. This is a body and the amount of quantity of matter that is contained in this body is known as a mass. So what is the SI unit of mass? It's kilogram. You can also write kg. Now weight. The weight of a body is the force with which the earth attracts the body. Now weight is basically the force with which the earth attracts a body toward itself. What is this force? What does this force means? Gravitational force. As we all know, if we throw a ball, then where does it go? It goes and touches the ground. It falls on the ground. If there is a tree, for example, if there is a tree, okay, and an apple falls, it falls on a ground, है ना? क्यों? Because of the gravitational force. अर्थ ऑलवेज हैज अ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, जिसकी वजह से वो कोई भी बॉडी को अपनी तरफ खींचती है, उसे हम लोग बोलेंगे ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. सो द वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी इज द फोर्स विथ विच अर्थ अट्रैक्ट्स द बॉडी. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मास एंड weight. And here we will see the SI unit of weight is, what is the SI unit of weight? It's Newton. And kilogram force, kgf. This is the SI unit of weight, where 1 kgf is equal to approximately 10 n, but exact value is 9.8 n. Now what is the formula of weight? Weight is equal to mg, where m is the mass and g is the gravity. Okay. The mass of a body remains constant everywhere. So now we are reading about the basic difference between mass and weight. तो mass जो है वो हर जगह, चाहे वो मून हो या कोई भी हेवनली बॉडीज हो या फिर अर्थ हो, वो सेम रहता है. बट वेट जो है वो चेंज होते रहता है. वेट ऑफ द बॉडी चेंजेस फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. See, The mass of a body is same on earth as well as moon, whereas the weight of the body on moon's surface is 1/6 of the weight of body on earth. Okay, so this is the main difference between mass and weight. Now let us solve some numericals. A car covers a distance of 160 km between two cities in 4 hours. What is the average speed of the car? So here the distance is given. First we are going to write what is given. This is the tricks how to solve numerical problem, है ना? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, सबसे पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे जो हमें क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है. तो ये क्या है, 160 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है और 4 आवर इज द टाइम. तो पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे टोटल डिस्टेंस 160 किलोमीटर, टोटल टाइम 4 आवर, and what is the formula of average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance by total time, that is 160 divided by 4 is equal to 40 km per hour. So the answer is 40 km per hour. Now the next example. A car covers a distance of 500 kilometers with an average speed of 50 km per hour. How much time does it take to cover the distance? तो अब हम लोग को यहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज़ दिया हुआ है. सबसे पहले तो डिस्टेंस दिया है 500 किलोमीटर. ओके, एवरेज स्पीड दिया है 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम. सो एवरेज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम. सो टोटल टाइम इज इक्वल टू टाइम जो इधर आ जाएगा, टोटल डिस्टेंस यहीं पे रहेगा और स्पीड जो है वो नीचे आ जाएगा. तो फॉर्मूला क्या हो गया, टोटल टाइम इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस 500 किलोमीटर and what is the average speed 50. So the answer is 10 hour. Now let's move on to the next numerical. This question is basically related to the mass and weight of a body. This is also an important question. So let's see. A man of mass 60 kg. Mass कितना है, 60 kg है. If the pull of gravity on 1 kg on the surface of earth is 9.8, अर्थ के सरफेस पे कितना है ग्रेविटी, 9.8, एंड एट द सरफेस ऑफ मून इज 1.6 n. फाइंड वेट ऑफ अ मैन एट अर्थ सरफेस. वेट फाइंड करना है कहाँ पे, अर्थ सरफेस पे. एंड मास एंड वेट ऑफ मैन एट मून्स सरफेस. ओके, हियर द मास ऑफ द मैन इज 60 kg and the gravitational force I have written all the details first. जो भी questions में दिया हुआ है details I have written over here first. Okay, gravity कितना है, 9.8 on earth. So what is the formula of weight? Weight is equal to mg. तो कितना है mass, 60 into 9.8 is equal to 588 Newton. Now number 2 क्या बोला है, mass and weight of a man at moon surface. अब मून्स के सरफेस पे जो फोर्स है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, वो कितना है, 1.6 दिया हुआ है. वेट का फॉर्मूला क्या है, mg, w इज इक्वल टू mg. तो 60, मास जो है 60 है और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स कितना है, 1.6 है. कहाँ, मून के सरफेस पे. सो द आंसर विल बी 96 n. So with this, I will end this chapter and I'll see you in the next class with another chapter. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.